Imagine waking up every morning feeling inexplicably tired with blurred vision and an unquenchable thirst. You notice a small cut on your foot that takes weeks to heal, and you've been making more trips to the bathroom than usual. These seemingly unrelated issues could be subtle signs of a hidden, underlying condition: diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic health condition affecting millions worldwide. Its onset can be so gradual that many people live with it for years without realizing. While extreme thirst and frequent urination are well-known symptoms, some signs are so subtle they can be easily overlooked or mistaken for less serious issues. Recognizing these hidden symptoms is crucial, as early detection and management can prevent severe complications like heart disease, nerve damage, and vision loss. In this video, we'll explore 10 unusual symptoms of diabetes. By shedding light on these often unnoticed symptoms, we aim to help you recognize potential warning signs in yourself or loved ones, encouraging proactive steps towards diagnosis and treatment. Let's dive in. 1. Frequent infections. Elevated blood sugar levels can weaken the immune system, making the body more susceptible to infections. Common infections in people with diabetes include skin infections, urinary tract infections, and yeast infections. 2. Dark skin patches. This condition is often associated with insulin resistance and is characterized by dark, velvety patches of skin in areas such as the neck, armpits, and groin. While not harmful in itself, acanthosis nigricans can be an indicator of high insulin levels and increased risk of diabetes. 3. Gum disease and bad breath. While plaque and poor dental hygiene are common causes of bad breath, diabetes should not be overlooked. High blood sugar results in elevated glucose levels in saliva, creating an ideal environment for bacteria to thrive. This exacerbates gum disease and contributes to bad breath. 4. Skin conditions. Conditions like fungal infections, bacterial infections, and diabetic dermopathy can be more common in people with diabetes. 5. Tingling or numbness, neuropathy. Chronic high blood sugar can damage nerves, particularly in the extremities like the hands and feet. This nerve damage can cause sensations of tingling, numbness, or pain, known as diabetic neuropathy, which can significantly affect quality of life. 6. Mood changes. Blood sugar fluctuations can affect brain function, leading to changes in mood and mental status. This can manifest as irritability, mood swings, anxiety, or depression, and can affect relationships and daily functioning. Increased thirst, polydipsia. As the body loses more water through increased urination, it can become dehydrated. In response, you feel thirsty and drink more fluids to compensate for the loss. Persistent thirst, despite drinking large amounts of water, can be a sign that your body is struggling to manage blood sugar levels. 8. Hearing problems. Diabetes can damage the blood vessels and nerves in the ears, potentially leading to hearing loss. 9. Dizziness. Dizziness or lightheadedness can stem from numerous health issues. When blood sugar levels rise, the body tries to remove excess glucose by increasing urination, which can reduce fluid levels and cause dizziness as the brain struggles to function properly. 10. Vision problems. High blood sugar levels can lead to several eye issues, including blurry vision, cataracts, and glaucoma. Sudden spikes in blood sugar can cause the eye lenses to swell, resulting in temporary blurry vision, which usually improves with medication and blood sugar control. Other symptoms might include eye pain, seeing halos around the lights, headaches, and watery eyes. Recognizing these symptoms and seeking medical advice early can help in the timely diagnosis and management of diabetes, potentially preventing serious complications. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new videos. See you next time.